get you some. Oh yeah. Mate, it's lucky she can cook. Wow! G'day lovelies, welcome back. I gave them a crack in the holidays and the grandkids absolutely loved them. They're going to be home from school soon, so I thought I might surprise them with these. I'll write the recipe below as always. 2 cups of plain flour, half a cup of caster sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of cinnamon grounded. We want to mix that through and then set it aside. To make the cinnamon sugar, you'll need 1 cup of normal white sugar. To that I would put 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and mix that through. Now we need 2 large apples. I've got little ones, so I'm going to use 3. We want to peel them, core them and cut them reasonably small. Now we need 2 eggs whisked up with a fork, 3/4 of a cup of milk, our 2 eggs whisked, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. If you don't have extract, you can use essence. Now it's 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using olive oil, but you can also use vegetable oil. Alright, mix them through first. Now we want to add our flour mixture, and we don't want to beat the shit out of it this time. What we want to do is just stir it gently until you can't see the flour anymore. Okay, once we can no longer see streaks of flour, we now add our apple and do the same thing, softly mix it through. Once our apple's mixed through and it's all coated, we're ready to rock and roll. I'm using my wok today. I've got 3 cups of vegetable oil. I usually use canola oil, but I don't have any. I've got the temperature in between medium and high. Now we want to get 1 nice heaped spoonful and then we will scrape it in there. I'm just showing you here in case you can't see. Okay, so once the oil's up to temperature, to test it out for the first time, just put 1 in there. We want to set the timer for exactly 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, we turn it for another 3 minutes. So it's 3 minutes either side. Now, once you've done that, if it's not a beautiful, deep golden brown, and say it's too dark, your oil's too hot, and if the colour's too light, your oil's not hot enough. Once you've got them all in there, just gently move them around until they separate. Make sure they're separated once. Okay, timer goes on for 3 minutes. Alrighty, 3 minutes later, turn them over. Set your timer for another 3 minutes. I don't know if you can see from there or not, but they are huge and puffy and oh my god, mate. So once they've drained a little bit, you want to get your cinnamon sugar if you want to do them this way. Coat them in it. I mean, look at that. Oh, come on, mate. I hope you can see that. Far out there. Hot for the kids like that after school, brilliant. And now I'll save a few and we'll do the glaze on them as well. What a great little munchie, hey? Now that our donuts are cold, we want to put 1.5 cups of icing sugar in a bowl. We want to start with 1/4 cup of milk. Now you can flavour it with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. So because I'm doing the apple ones, I'm going to do a teaspoon of lemon juice. We want it nice and runny to pour over them. So you can pour it straight from the bowl over them, or you can just use a spoon. Just try and cover all the top. Oh yeah, baby. How much fun is this, and how nice are these for the lunch boxes too. Great little dessert, awesome for after school. Great for movie night. All up at Made 18. Well, there you have it, lovelies. Apple donuts. Give them a crack. Your family is going to love them. Thank you so much for watching. Have yourselves an awesome night, and I'll see you soon. Toodles!